Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I recently bought this set of secateurs. They're cordless secateurs from Parkside at my local Lidl supermarket. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and a review of this tool. So here is a Parkside 4-volt cordless set of secateurs. So adapted from the traditional type of handheld secateurs that you use your grip with to cut through a branch by squeezing the two handles together. You don't need to do that with this one, you just need to charge it up and the little motor inside will do all the hard work for you. This comes with a charging cable, USB cable, and a little sheath to protect the blade, or to protect you from the blade when not in use. And the max cutting capacity is 14mm softwood, 12mm hardwood. So in general then anything around a centimetre diameter is okay, I'm guessing, but anything over that you should probably not use these secateurs for that. Good if you have a weaker grip or you have a medical condition, let's say, and you don't want to squeeze a lot or you've got loads to cut. This might come in handy for that. Take all the effort out of snipping through small branches. And this also comes with a 3-year warranty. And it says on the back, easy and clean cutting of roses, shrubs and woody perennials, compact and lightweight design with a built-in powerful lithium-ion battery, 4-volt, 4 amp hour, high quality durable gearbox with a long lifespan, ergonomic non-slip soft grip handle with on-off switch, 3-stage charging status indicator, bypass blade, can be replaced without the use of tools. So in the box you get the instruction manual, you get the USB Type-C charging cable, and you get the secateurs. There's the USB-C cable. So now let's take a closer look at this tool. At this end you've got the cover for the secateur blade to protect your fingers. So it's quite chunky, feels quite well made, I'm quite surprised. Chunky, solid plastic body. It's got a trigger here. Rubberized handle here with the charging indicator lights to tell you when it's empty and when it's full. Rubber goes all the way around. At the end here you've got a power button, green for on, and then you've got the little lid cover gasket, rubbery gasket, to add the USB-C for charging. Here's a close-up look at the blade. Looks pretty sharp to me. And here it has a button, so this is a release button for removing the cutting blade if you ever want to replace it, I'm guessing. Here is a quick comparison side by side. Regular traditional secateurs, I've had these for a few years now, also Parkside, and the cordless version. There is a difference in size, but it's not too bad. And the overall length is around 30 centimeters or around 1 foot. So now moving on to the weight, let's check the weight of these. 694 grams, so not much over half a kilo, around 700 grams or 0.7 kilos. And when you compare that to a standard set of secateurs, these are coming in at 239 grams, so around a third of the weight of the cordless ones. So I'm going to give this a full charge before testing it out. All I need to do is just remove that little gasket, plug in the USB-C cable. There we are. Little red light is on at the back, and it's now charging. Right, so all the lights have stopped flashing now. The lights are solid, so now it's ready to go and it's charged. So to turn it on, you need to press the on button here. The light comes on, and when you press the trigger down here, it closes all the way, and then when you let go, it lifts up again. So as soon as you release your finger from the trigger, it will come back up. So if you accidentally get your finger too close and you realise, you can just release it and it will come up again, so you won't have your finger locked in there. Okay, so I've got a stick here of around 1 centimetre in diameter, so let's see how it cuts. So now I've got another stick. This is a privet and it's just under 15mm, so it's around the maximum capacity that this tool is designed for. So let's see how it copes with this. There you can see it's just under 15mm, bang on 14mm in thickness. So, quite impressive. It cuts through the maximum 14mm softwood quite comfortably. So I've been pottering around in the garden using this for about 20 minutes or so. Let's check the battery. It's still full, so there's plenty of life left in it. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. So there you have it, a set of cordless Parkside secateurs. Final conclusions then, the battery life seems good. I still have a full battery. I used it for a little bit, but you don't use these for extended periods of time anyway, so I'm pretty confident that the battery life is adequate. Comfort wise, they're pretty comfortable to use. They do the job, they do take the strain out of doing it with your hands, and they do cut smaller branches. They don't do big thick branches. You're not going to get away with anything sort of more than 12 to 15 centimetres. Anything above that, it's not suited for it. This is just for pruning of small shrubs. Anything within 1 centimetre diameter should be okay, and they do the job. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.